comes the Ramen Noodle coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something that I found at Walmart. It's made in the UK. This is an export version for the US market. This is naked Chinese style hot and sour ramen noodles in a spicy sweet and sour broth with vegetables. Comes in a little packet. Okay. And I guess what you do, there's a cup of water in here. Oh, I'll just make it in that, yeah. Whoop. I'm gonna take it, dump it in here. Give it whoa, it's making funny noises. Give it a stir. And then it mentions a minute. So that can be 1 minute. There we go. So we'll see what happens in 1 minute. I don't know. It'll either be good or it'll be horrible. And I'm hoping that it's all right. I guess we'll find out. The other ones that I've had have been interesting. Not wonderful, but not bad. It's like there's a lot of cornstarch, so it's got a little bit of a thickness to it. It definitely has kind of certain characteristics of British instant noodles, because those usually are more gravy-like instead of broth-like. So we'll see. But this one should be done just about... Not yet. Just about 10 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a wonderful, wonderful, awful, awful thing. Well, hopefully not too awful. What's awful is this timer. It's like, you gotta, yeah. It works, but if you want to be able to see exactly where you're at on it, it's not too fun. It smells just kind of like a vegetable soup. The noodles are very short too. Definitely a thing. I'll say that much. It's a thing. Let me tilt you down so you can see what's happening. See? Short noodles. We are not at the toy store. Yes, please turn left. Turn left. Go forward. Beep beep.
Beep beep.
High speed.
Coming.
I'll let you begin the next one, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Be good. Love you. It's not bad. It has a little hint of spiciness. The sweetness, that's a stretch. It's not bad. I will say that. Would I like go out of my way to get it? No. But am I like thoroughly, horribly put off by it? No, not at all. It's interesting. But it definitely seems more like it seems like a domestic product trying to pretend to be Asian. It's that kind of thing. Which is fine, you know. They definitely have their place in the universe. 1 cup of water and some stuff, and that's basically it. Let's see if it'll fit in this bowl, and it will. Look at that. I don't think I really need to do a whole heck of a lot to this one. And I'm gonna throw in some spring onion, and I think that's about all I need to. Maybe some seeds. I get where they're trying to come from with the Chinese style, but it's, yeah, they generally don't cut up their noodles like this. It's spoonable. It's like if you want to make a Chinese style, make some congee, folks. Alright. Let's skip a song ahead. right, so that kind of brings us to the end of today's show. Thank you for watching. The next one that you'll get to see is me making this, and then I'm going to do a mukbang of it. This is, God, the name is really hard. Linji Yitao salted egg yolk flavor. 2x spicy. What's that about? We got this during our foray into going a little ways south and doing Lunar New Year sales and stuff. So yeah, this is something special they brought in at Asian Food Center or Asian Family Market. They changed the name of that too. Anyways, thanks for watching, and that'll be coming up tomorrow. Manaz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.